Welcome to the HAL APS channel. HAL APS was created as a real answer to the problems of production planners around the world. It solves the most complicated task in the organization, plans and schedules production. It is really good at it. How it works. HAL exchanges data with the ERP system that assigns it tasks to perform. For example, a sales order was entered in the ERP system. The customer ordered 1,000 electric motors that he would like to receive on November 15th. In this way, a demand source was created in the ERP system. Now we have to solve the puzzle of whether we can confirm the implementation date to the customer, whether we are able to produce everything on the suggested date. The task is automatically transferred to HAL in the background. The planner schedules the task and after a few seconds has a complete answer. HAL checked the availability of materials and suggested purchases. He checked the availability and load of all resources and proposed production orders. He considered many criteria, perhaps suggested cooperative tasks. Our demand source received a specific implementation date. Now we know whether it is possible to meet the customer's deadline. If everything is okay, we send production orders and material requirements to the ERP system. This is the simplest scenario. Then we track the timeliness of material deliveries, subcontractors and production progress. HAL usually automatically creates production orders and purchase requirements in the ERP system. If we reschedule our demand sources, HAL will delete old orders in ERP and send new ones. It is a full automation. HAL can exchange data with many systems simultaneously. It also has the ability to work independently. There are many companies in the world that have huge needs related to production scheduling, but have not decided to purchase an ERP system. For more information on HAL APS, including our list pricing, please visit the HAL APS web page. If you're looking to learn more about using HAL APS, our YouTube channel offers a vast selection of tutorial videos.